Hello, today we're going to go over how to add documents and files into your Google Drive. For this example today, I will be using the Orozco.internal shared folder that's on the drive. The first thing I want to do is make my Orozco.internal folder easy for me to find so I'm not scrolling through all the folders that are inside my drive every time I want to go into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my Orozco.internal folder. And since it is shared with you, you're going to go under shared with me and you will locate the folder. You can also search for it at the top if you type in Orozco.internal. But I see my folder right here. So we have Orozco.internal. So what you want to do when you locate the folder, we're going to right click it, or if you're on a Mac, hold down the control key and click, and you will get this menu. When you get this menu, what you're going to want to click is add star. When you click on add star, you're going to see that a star will pop up next to the name of the folder. This star will make it so you can locate this folder very quickly. On the left hand side, you're going to see these menu items. You will see a starred area. If you click on starred, it will bring you to everything you have starred. So for me, there is my Orozco.internal folder. Made it very easy for me to find. So now that I found my folder that I want to add my files to, I'm going to go ahead and click twice to go into it. Now, the steps that I'm using work in any of the folders. So I'm going to add a file into the official docs folder. So this will also be the same way you can add lesson plans or any other documents into any other folder. I'm going to go to the official docs. Now, I'm going to add a file, which is an Excel file, for this year's student usernames. So there's two ways we can do this. One way is we can go ahead and click on, keep in mind this, you have to be inside the folder in order to do this. So right now I am inside my official docs folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new and file upload. I'll be presented with this menu. So my document is on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on desktop on the left hand side and it puts me inside the desktop folder. And I'm going to look for my document, which is 1516 student usernames. And I'm going to go ahead and click on choose. Now on the bottom right hand side, it's going to state it's uploading, and when it's done, it will then say uploads completed. Since this information is already shared, once you put it inside the folder, you do not have to set permissions to share it. It is automatically shared based on the permissions that are set on the folder. The second way you can add a file is to easily just drag it and drop it from anywhere on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So what we have here is that I can do this. I'm going to grab it. Then I'm going to move over to the right. I'm going to drag it over into the folder and let it go. That will then upload the document into the folder. And there he is. We see it right there, 1516 student usernames. So those are the two ways you can add it directly into your drive. You can either use the new file upload or you can drag it and drop it. Any questions, please feel free to contact me and I will help you out as much as I can. Thank you very much and have a nice day.